Welcome back to Apex Auto, your trusted destination for detailed car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and widely used sedans in its class, the 2016 Toyota Corolla XLI. Known for its reliability, affordability, and practicality, the Corolla XLI has built a strong reputation, especially in markets where durability and low running costs are a priority. In this review, we will explore every aspect of this model, from its exterior design to interior features, performance, safety, and whether it still holds value in 2025 for those considering it as a used car option. Starting with the design, the 2016 Toyota Corolla XLI carries a simple yet timeless look. It may not have the aggressive styling of newer generations, but its clean lines, well-proportioned body, and signature Toyota grille give it a decent road presence. The headlights are halogen with a standard reflector setup, and the chrome accents are minimal, keeping the overall appearance modest but functional. The car's dimensions make it perfect for urban driving while offering enough cabin space for a small family. Under the hood, the 2016 Corolla XLI comes equipped with a 1.3-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This engine produces around 84 horsepower and 121 Nm of torque, making it more about fuel efficiency and daily commuting rather than spirited performance. The car delivers impressive mileage, often reaching around 14 to 16 km/h in mixed driving conditions, which is a key reason for its popularity among budget-conscious drivers. The ride is soft, suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, and handling is predictable with light steering that makes city maneuvering easy. Inside, the Toyota Corolla XLI offers a functional and straightforward cabin. Being a base variant, it comes with basic fabric seats, manual air conditioning, manual windows, and a standard audio system. There's no luxury here, but what you get is a durable interior with good ergonomics and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The boot space is generous for its category, allowing you to carry luggage for family trips without struggle. On the safety front, the 2016 XLI is modest. It typically comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and basic structural integrity designed to meet standard crash safety requirements of its time. However, it lacks advanced safety features that newer models now offer, such as traction control, parking sensors, or a rear-view camera. Still, for a 2016 entry-level sedan, its safety setup was acceptable for daily use. One of the strongest selling points of the 2016 Toyota Corolla XLI is its low cost of ownership. Spare parts are widely available, maintenance is simple, and the resale value remains strong even in 2025 due to its proven reliability. Whether you're buying it as your first car, a family commuter, or a budget-friendly workhorse, the XLI continues to be a practical choice. Driving the 2016 Corolla XLI feels smooth and predictable. The engine, while not powerful, is refined for its size, and the gearbox shifts easily. It's not a car designed for speed or excitement but rather for consistency and dependability. Over the years, Toyota has built a loyal customer base with this model because it delivers exactly what it promises, a no-frills, dependable sedan. In conclusion, the 2016 Toyota Corolla XLI is a car that stands the test of time. It may lack modern tech and flashy features, but it offers reliability, low running costs, and a comfortable ride, all the essentials for someone looking for a practical and efficient vehicle. If you're considering a used car in this segment, this model still makes a lot of sense in 2025. Make sure to check service history, inspect key, wear and tear parts, and negotiate for a fair price based on its mileage and condition. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Apex Auto for more detailed car reviews, buying guides, and automotive tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we bring you closer to the cars that matter most.